Hey everyone, it is a beautiful day outside. I am so excited to be out on the water, spending some time in nature, getting some sunshine and some fresh air, really enjoying it. And I am out here to learn a new hobby, a new activity that is going to get me outside, out of the house, away from screens for a little while and enjoying nature. I'm so excited about it, and I hope that this will maybe inspire you guys too to, learn something new. I got a fishing pole from Magreel. It comes in this nice carrying case. It zips all the way up. This is a really cool fishing pole. I haven't seen one exactly like this before. It's something that you can travel, you can take with you. It, will fit all the way in here, so you can put it in your car, you can put it with your stuff if you are traveling. I think that's really convenient. Check it out. Check it out, guys. Fishing pole from Magreel. This is really nice. I love the look of it. You guys can see it's got all of these nice little details. It's got your grip that makes it easy for your hands to hold. I love it. So cool. When you put it together, you have like basically 3 different pieces: the rod part, the reel, and your handle. So when you put it together, you can put the handle on the right if you're right-handed, the left if you were left-handed, and you can easily switch it back and forth. So if you maybe are buying this as a gift for like kids and they're going to share it, and you maybe have right-handed and left-handed, they can just switch it up as they go. I think that is really fun. Again, I love that you can travel with this, you can fit it wherever, all on this thing, and Magreel has got you. It doesn't just come with this awesome fishing pole in your nice little carrying case. You get the case, you get the rod, you get the reel. You also get all of your fishing line, the high quality, the good stuff here. And check out, this is probably my favorite part. You get your own little tackle box here. It's got your hook for hanging if you need to do that. And check out all of these fun lures. You've got your like worms and the little fish guys and the bobs, the whole thing, all the accoutrement, everything that you need comes with this. So again, this is great for beginners like me who, you can just buy this kit and it's got all of the stuff that you really need. If you buy it for your kids, buy it as a present, whatever, you know that it's not going to be something that they have to run out to the store and buy other things to go with it. This is just, you buy the kit, you open it up, you are ready to go. You're ready to just start fishing right away. And I gotta say that I'm really enjoying just being out in nature. I'm excited. I've got this all ready to go. I'm about to put my fishing line on there next and choose which lure I want to use. I'm not really sure. I think this blue guy here, I like him. So we'll see if I have any luck catching fish. I'm really excited about it. I'm already enjoying my time out in nature and getting out of the house for once. I know you guys see how beautiful it is out here. I'm sure that you can find something close to where you live where you can just enjoy some time outside, and this is a great excuse, a great way to do it. I love this as something that is really accessible and approachable for beginners. It's great for kids. It makes a great gift. So I'm going to put the link in the description below. You guys go check it out, and I'm going to get to fishing. So I will see you guys later. Adios, amigos.